So I asked AI to build me a complete Digistore24 affiliate marketing system with just $0. I wanted to see if AI could actually find a product, write the content, and even create a funnel, all without me having to spend a single dime. Here's how I set it up. I'm giving AI one job to build me a system that can make my first Digistore24 sale with $0. No ads, no paid tools, no fancy website builders, only free tools and Digistore24 itself. So first, I asked AI to help me pick a high converting product from Digistore24. So I'm going into ChatGPT right now and I'm going to say, hi ChatGPT, I would like to build an affiliate system that won't require me to spend a single dollar, and I want you to help me do that. I will be using Digistore24 as my affiliate platform. The first thing I would like to do is pick a high converting product from Digistore24, and I would like you to help me do that. So now I gave it some parameters. The product should be beginner friendly, a digital product, and have good commission. Now below is the link to the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace. So here's where I put the link to this particular marketplace, and I'm telling ChatGPT, do a deep search and choose a perfect affiliate product for me based on the product parameters I have given, and whatever product you pick, tell me why you went with it. And I'm going to click on enter, and here's what it suggested. Of course, it took into criteria of digital products, high commission, beginner friendly, high converting, and evergreen. And it chose the MIDA manifestation system. So let's go back to Digistore24 and see what that is. So I searched MIDA's manifestation system, and this is what came out. This is actually good because it did bring out something that is high converting in terms of the cart conversion rate. It also gave us something with a high payout, high commission. You can see over here. It also gave us something that is a digital product, which is super good. So I'm going to open the sales page to see what this is about, to have a closer idea on that. And this is what the sales page is about. However, this is not something I would typically, be promoting. It's not something that is my kind of niche. So what I'm going to tell ChatGPT is my niche would fall under the broad niche of health and wellness, because that's what I want to go into for the purpose of this video. And I'm saying do a deep search and choose a perfect affiliate product for me based on the product parameters I've given and my niche. Whatever product you pick, tell me why you went with it. Again, I'm going to click on enter. And AI goes ahead to analyze everything, search the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace, and suggest me with the appropriate result based on my input. And here's what it suggested. So it says healthy heart solution, which is on Digistore24. So I'm going to copy it and see exactly what the product is on Digistore. So this is the product, and it's actually an ebook. So yes, it is a digital product. It has a good cart conversion rate, just like we wanted. It has a reasonable amount of payout, at least for a front end offer, which is $27. And if we should go over to the sales page over here, it actually has a free video that is going to teach you, and then before they pitch the product, and below is just like a little bit of product. So I would say this is sort of something that we can go with. Next, I asked AI to build me a simple affiliate funnel, something that actually captures emails and promotes the product. So I'm going to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, oh, really solid. Next, build me a simple affiliate funnel that can capture emails of prospects and promote the product. When you do, tell me why that affiliate funnel works and how it works for me. Again, AI actually gave me a 3-step affiliate funnel. And you can see the first step is to create a lead magnet page, which is like an email capturing page. And it says we're going to use ConvertKit or MailerLite. And this is the lead magnet we're going to be using. There's a PDF that we can create, 7 days healthy heart starter plan. And it's going to involve all of this. Again, it also says we're going to do a bridge page, like a warm-up page. So it's literally showing us all of the process that we need to do. Again, it's saying we're going to do automated email sequence using free ConvertKit automation. However, I kind of feel this is a bit more complex for an absolute beginner who's trying to use AI to build a step-by-step affiliate system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell AI to make it simpler. So I'm just simply saying make the funnel simpler. Also, ConvertKit is a paid tool because I've actually used ConvertKit before, and the automation aspect, the email sequences, they're all under a paid plan, and we are looking at building an affiliate system with absolutely $0. So I'm going to click on enter and see what AI is going to come up with in terms of creating a much more simpler affiliate marketing funnel. So you can see AI has made it much more simpler, and what we need is something for the landing page, then the lead magnet, then of course our affiliate link. And it's simply saying the first step is to create a simple landing page. We can use System.io for free. The next thing is we're going to deliver the lead magnet. So basically the lead magnet is something that actually it's like a small value you give in exchange for an email sort of from a prospect. And we're going to deliver a free lead magnet through email. Then the third step is we're going to send follow-up emails. You can use System.io, or you can actually use your actual Gmail address. So I'm saying create the lead magnet and put it in a PDF, and also give me a detailed landing page to use. And AI is of course analyzing that, and it has created our lead magnet already, which we can download. And here is our landing page copy that we can simply go copy and paste into whatever we're using for our landing page, or whatever site we're using to host our landing page. But then again, it seems way too complicated for someone who is an absolute beginner looking for an affiliate marketing system that costs $0. So I'm telling AI, can you make the affiliate funnel very simple? System.io, ConvertKit, or even MailerLite, they are not beginner friendly for someone who is a newbie to affiliate marketing. And of course, AI gave us 2 free tools everyone knows how to use, which is Google Drive and Google Forms. So Google Drive is where I'm going to store the free lead magnet, and Google Form to collect emails. And when you think of it, it sort of makes sense because it's super easy. However, the downside of this is that there is no flow from the Google Forms to get the Google Drive link. So when people actually fill the form, you have to start doing it manually, sending the link to them. So it's not exactly efficient, if you ask me. However, I'll have to suggest to AI some more options, like using Medium. The Google Drive link is actually a good option, but using Google Forms doesn't seem like a better option. So I'm saying, how about using Medium for the landing page? And it actually agrees that Medium is a smart, simple way, and it's super easy. Any beginner can actually do it. So it has given us the landing page, and I'm going to go over to Medium and create this landing page. So over to Medium, I'm going to click on write. I'll copy the title over here and I'll paste that. For the article body, I'm just going to copy all of this. And I'm going to go ahead and readjust this. You can see there's quite a ton of space inside it. So I've gone off the camera and I've gone to adjust this. And just like that, I've been able to create a simple landing page. And if we should scroll down, this is where we can then put in a link here. But instead of an affiliate link, I would suggest you actually put in the link to the Google Drive where you must have saved your lead magnet, so that you can always have those emails collected and also keep sending actual personal emails to them to convert those prospects. So AI has created our lead magnet. I showed you how we did that. This is our lead magnet here. You can actually decide to redo this because of all this black dot, but AI has literally done the work for us. We've also created the landing page using AI. Next, I told AI to help me create content that would drive traffic, whether it's short videos, social media posts, or email text. And of course, we want AI to literally create the system for us. So back in ChatGPT, I'm saying I would like to create content to direct people to the landing page. I would like to leverage social media posts. I don't want to show my face. If you do not want to show your face, you want to show your face, then you may want to opt out for things like YouTube or TikTok or Instagram. But if you don't want to show your face, you may want to leverage more of written social media posts. And I'm saying choose the ideal platform for me and create a 30-day content plan that I can use to drive people to my landing page. And I'm going to click on enter. And AI has literally chosen Pinterest, and this is super great. It's super incredible. It's a super solid idea because Pinterest is an SEO platform and Pinterest has high visibility. Well, make sure you are not posting your affiliate links directly to Pinterest. That's why we have a landing page, a lead magnet before we promote any affiliate product. And again, AI has gone ahead to give us a 30-day Pinterest content plan, no face needed. Static pins are what we're going to be going with. So now for the week 1, AI has literally broken everything down. For the week 1, we have like 7 heart healthy habits you can start today. And we can simply create a pin using Canva. So I'm going to head over to Canva. In Canva, under templates, I can simply search heart health pins. And this is going to give us pins that are more tailored towards what we are actually going for, tailored towards our niche. So all we have to do is actually very minimal editing. Now, if you look on Canva, a lot of these ones that are having the crown on them are actually under the premium plan, which means you actually need to pay. But since we're going for a $0 affiliate system, we're going to simply filter ones that are absolutely free to make our work easier. So I'm going to scroll until I see one that doesn't have that kind of crown. So I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to click on open. When you click on open, you'll also be able to see other similar ones that you can actually leverage on. So it's totally dependent on what you want to use. However, I'm still going to be going with this. So I'm going to click on customize this template. Back in AI, I'm going to go ahead and copy what is supposed to be written on our pins. So you can see 7 heart healthy habits you can start today. So just like that, we've been able to create a pin. You may want to put a little bit more effort in creating your pins because, of course, your pins are what attracts people to want to click whatever landing page you have imputed in your description. So I'm going to click on share and I'm going to click on download. So based on the affiliate funnel that AI generated for us, the affiliate system, we're going to go into Pinterest, create a new pin. And this is where we're going to drop our pins that we've gone ahead to generate in Canva. And you can actually do as much pins as you want as AI has actually given. Here's where you're going to put the title. This is where we add the description. And this is where we're going to add the link to our landing page, which is Medium. Then, of course, we add tags. And this is how we're going to keep uploading pins to attract people who are going to go to the landing page, download our lead magnet, where we can actually pitch them some more values via emails and get them to actually get our affiliate product. So after setting everything up, here's what I think. I think AI built everything, gave us the funnel, the copy, the content, even though it still requires your level of input, your level of prompt on what you actually expect. If you notice, AI kept giving us things that were not exactly refined to work for beginners or in terms of the flow, and I had to chip in to use Medium. So the truth is that AI can build system. AI can give you an idea on a good system that you can build, but it still needs you to test. It still needs you to give it some tweaks, and it still needs you to drive the actual traffic. Now, if you want to see a free Pinterest strategy that actually works for affiliate marketing, particularly with Digistore24, then you want to check out the video that I am attaching right now, where I break down my free Pinterest strategy to help you drive traffic and close sales with affiliate marketing. Ciao.